I keep falling out. I keep falling out. I keep falling out. I keep falling out of reality and into my dreams. You can come with me, but slowing down ain't the plan for me. Just know your secret's safe with me. I just keep going, same intentions, cause the demons surround me, waiting for me to slip up. World full of temptations, you're too late though. I woke up, and to catch some Z's, you have to go through all 25 letters of the alphabet. Don't let that slip, and to say you're special is an understatement. I'm trying to get a tighter grip, no, that's the problem, I need to let go. Most of the pain, anger, and sadness resides in my mental. There's a whole lot more going on than just this physical. I'm trying to reach deep down into your soul's armpit and tickle your spirit. I smoke tough cause this human experience can be rough. Got a lot of love to give, and to shine my light is a must. I know it is what it is, but that's some shit. I knew a little this and a little that, but I never thought down the whole line. I'ma leave it at that, I'ma be the one to change that. Gratitude is my attitude, I want you to fill up my cup while I overflow yours. This my flow and a full course. I feast on lessons, then rise with no remorse. Every setback's fuel, I pour what I get and it doubles with force. I shine, gotta put your shades on when I walk in the door. Aura too heavy, presence like a wave, frequency so high, whole vibe realign. Realize all the seeds I planted didn't even want my water. So yeah, things got a little hotter. Realized all the seeds I planted didn't even want my water. So yeah, things got a little hotter. So yeah, things got a little hotter. Test, are you listening? Can you hear me? Have you thought about yourself lately? No, I'm serious. When was the last time you slowed down and thought for yourself? Thought about your spiritual health? Life now's just preparation to greatness, and it's weighed upon your intentions. Every thought, never word spoke is your future's manifestation. So I hope you think and speak greatness. It's time to face it. Life ain't a race. Pace it. You can love it, you don't have to hate it. 2 4-letter words with 2 very different frequencies. Yeah, come on, I just rolled up. You can get high with me. Come align with me. Take your shoes off ground with me. All I'm trying to do is raise my frequency. Look into my eyes, I ain't got time to lie. Take a little time for yourself. Peer into the windows of your soul. And don't forget to love yourself. Love yourself.